David, he needs help. He's about to fall into that. His life is in danger. Help. So I'll save him. Come on, bro.
Move. I'm ready. That's just worse. Not cold feet. Really? Really? Come on.
Yeah, he's in his regular shoes. And yeah, I guess, oh, okay, buddy, don't do that. But I guess this is the intro.
I guess.
So, no, I'm not gonna let him hit me. But yeah, this is David, so. And we're gonna be out here for a little bit.
Hi. Hi. So I'm trying to take a step in snow. And oh my god. Look at this. Look at that, Park.
No.
That's deep.
His ankle, though.
Oh, it's up to my knees.
Yeah, I don't know.
So,
his ankles are probably about to die from the cold.
Oh, I can't feel them.
Yeah, I told you. You probably should cover them ankles next time.
They hurt.
All right, well.
I'm walking all the way through.
All right, well, he's going all the way over there.
Ow.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that's trespassing, but it's his choice. Oh, we got a shoeless man, and he's trying to walk home.
Can I?
If you want to die.
For the viewers.
Oh, that looks cold. All right.
It's a bit cold.
One like equals one prayer to save this man's life. And I mean, if you want him to die, just don't pray. Just don't pray for him. Alright, also, we're kind of just heading to the shopping center, you know.
So we can actually see.
Yeah, but we'll see y'all there. Also, we just found this mound right here.
God, that's deep.
Alright, y'all, so we're just kind of heading home.
It's not a long walk.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's cold out here. We're both kind of freezing. Of course, every episode you see us freezing, but, like, yeah.
Well, in midsummer.
Every episode in the winter so far.
Hey, guys, I have a question for you. Should we do more park videos or more exploring videos in the neighborhood? What do you guys want to see?
Yeah. I mean, I think all we've done is kind of just park videos.
Look at this.
Oh, what, man?
Look at this. Giant mound.
Yeah. Yeah, that mound's really high up. Just POV. Hold on. Just a POV.
I am king.
How high up he is. You can see him up there. Which is probably about 10 feet above me, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dang, if I were to fall down in this, I'd be screwed.
Yeah, he would be. You'd probably just, suffocate. But yeah, we'll see y'all when we get home. So Dave had to leave and everything, but I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you want to see next.